All right, here's a nice question. Looks like logs are involved. I have an exponent when my variable's in both exponents. Oh, so and I need to get at that. I'd like to try and just change it from log form to exponential form, but having two brackets sort of messes that up. So yeah, I'd probably take, let me rewrite it, e to the minus x equals 4 to the 2x. So I'm going to take the log base e, because this is an e. I could have done 4 too, but I think the e will be easier. Log base e of e to the minus x is equal to log base e of 4 to the 2x. Now I can use the power rule to bring that out front. So negative x times the log base e of e is just 1. So I could put a 1 there, but e multiplied by 1 doesn't change. Same this one, bring this one out front, 2x times the log base e of 4. So I have negative x is equal to 2x times log base e of 4. I think that comes out to 2 something, not 2, 1 point something. You can do it on your calculator. I'm calling it 1.3-ish. It turns out that it doesn't matter. Okay, so 2 times 1.3 would be about 2.6x is equal to negative x. Let's get the x's together. So let's add an x on each side. So I get 0 is equal to 2.6 plus 1 would be 3.6x. And then to solve for x, I need to divide both sides by 3.6. Notice that when you're, like it doesn't matter what this number comes out to. Typically it would. But in this case, you're dividing 0 by 3.6. 0 divided by anything is just still 0. So your answer is right there.